My name is Tom Clark, and today we're doing a little tutorial or lesson about Anchor.fm. Okay? The point of Anchor.fm is to convert your WordPress.com blog into a podcast. And usually you start on the episodes page. So, obviously, length is how long the podcast is, where it plays, ads, data, status, pretty self-explanatory. Here, delete the episode. Then you can create the episode. Here, you can resend or convert to audio, and you want to convert to audio. Remy is a woman's voice. Cassidy is a male voice. I've gone with a male voice. And you just press continue. Okay, here, save and continue. Here, you can record a brand new blog if you want to, a brand new podcast. It's up to you. Here is a library of your old podcasts, so you can put them on here. Here you can put up your messages on your blog if you're lucky to get any messages. Here is transitions. Here is where you put your sponsor. So you just press it. Then usually I put a transition. I've chosen the music called Ally. Ally, you can do whatever you want. And then I usually put another podcast, an old podcast. I usually just put 2. So here you can edit the audio again, download the audio file, remove background music, or just remove the whole episode, which I'm going to do. And another transition. Ally again, Ally again. And again, you can remove it if you want. Here. To me, that's enough. You can put as many old podcasts as you want. You save the episode. then publish now. You can change this as you want, but I don't usually. Then you can describe the episode if you want to. And then you press publish. You go on to the next level. Then press this to return to WordPress as it says. And then you click X. If you want to put it on Facebook, you click this. And if you want to click this to go on Twitter, you click it. This is to copy the link. This is to embed it. So I just have to wait a moment for them to buffer. You want to market your podcast or blog as much as you can. You probably shouldn't do this to have 3 tabs running at once, but it's up to you. Twitter's all set. With Facebook, you just press post to Facebook. And for some reason it changes to like this. And these are all of my podcasts are. So it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is not bad.